Hey everybody, Chris G here, Positively Progressing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I have something new for you. The first installment of the midweek musical quiz. So as I've been practicing piano lately, I thought to myself, man, it sure would be nice to have an ear training partner. And so this idea came about. Why not be your ear training buddy? So to value your time, I've created 10 chords that I'm going to quiz you on. It should take less than 10 minutes, and you'll get your ear training done, and you'll be able to get on with your day. The way this is going to work is I'm going to play the chord 2 times, then I'll arpeggiate it, then I'll give you the answer. Also, try to keep track of the score while we're doing it. Since this is the very first installment, I'm going to keep it pretty easy. We're going to be playing 7th chords in root position and just playing block chords. That means I'm going to have the root on the bottom and just stacking thirds from there. So 1, 3, 5, 7. In future videos, as I make this more difficult, we're going to be getting into alterations and maybe even rootless voicings. But for now, we're going to start out pretty easy. Depending on what level you're at, this might feel too easy to you, but don't worry, those future videos will definitely challenge you. So we're going to start with the 5 most basic chords that you're going to see in almost every jazz standard. We're going to do major 7th, minor 7th, dominant 7th, half diminished, or minor 7 flat 5s, and fully diminished chords. And those are the only 5, so you'll probably get 2 of each of those. So in future videos, I'm going to be right at the piano and we'll just get started. But today, I just wanted to give it a little intro. Now we're ready. Let's do it. Okay, here's the first one. That was G major 7.
Number 2.
That was D dominant 7. D as in dog, dominant 7. Here's number 3. That is C half diminished or C minor 7 flat 5. Here's number 4. If you said major 7, you're right. That was B major 7. Here's number 5, the halfway point. How are you guys doing so far? Here we go. That's diminished. Fully diminished. F diminished. All right, next one, number 6. Here we go. If you said minor, you got it right. F sharp minor 7. All right, here we go. Number 7. That was A flat half diminished, or A flat 7 minor 7 flat 5. A flat minor 7 flat 5. That's what I meant to say there. Next one, number 8. Here we go. That chord always reminds me of a Coldplay song, The Scientist.
Come up to meet you.
D minor 7. D minor 7. We got 2 left. How are you guys doing so far? Here we go. Number 9. That was E dominant 7. Now we're on the last one here. Here we go. Hope you guys are keeping score at home. All right, that was diminished, fully diminished, A flat, fully diminished. And as you might have caught on, I played F diminished earlier. Now those are the same diminished chords. Remember, there are only 3 diminished scales, so therefore there's only 3 diminished chords. And I wanted to play the same ones today because I wanted to get that diminished sound in your ear and not try to trick you. So, or maybe that was tricky, I don't know. Anyways, see you soon. Well, how'd you do? Now this isn't the easiest stuff to learn. If you feel like you didn't do that well, come back to the video tomorrow. Come back in a couple days. Try it again, see how you do, compare your scores. This will get easier, I promise. The more that you hear these chords, the more you're gonna recognize them, and the easier they're gonna come to you. And eventually you're gonna start hearing progressions because you're gonna know so many chord qualities and exactly what they sound like. So if you want, go ahead and put your score in the comment section below. Then, as we keep doing these, you can track your positive progress. I'm gonna try to put out 2 to 4 of these per month along with my other content that I'm creating. If you wanna stay with it, tap the bell notification. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestion, or request for a future quiz. Hey, thanks again for watching. Always appreciate your support. But until next time, just remember, always positive, always progressing. Later.